Hi, you're welcome to Kammy Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you. You're welcome to today's tutorial. So, if you are looking for a way to learn how to convert your images to PDF or your designs to PDF or your documents to PDF, and this is what you are looking for, then this video is for you. The first thing you're going to do is to go to Play Store. So, let's go to Play Store and we're going to search for WPS PDF. Okay, so we're going to search for WPS PDF. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you have to click on, I don't want to click on update. I already have the app on my phone, but I don't want to update it. Okay, so I'll go back. So this is the app WPS PDF. Okay, I'll click on it. So once I click on WPS PDF, it opens here. This is the interface that comes up. Okay, so what I'll do next is to come down here and click on tools. So if I click on tools, these are different things you can do on this app. You can even scan your document here. You can change your image to PDF. You can extract from PDF. You can even merge PDF together. Sorry. But what we are here to learn is how to convert from image to PDF. So if I click on image to PDF, if I click on image to PDF, it will bring me to this place, camera. So I'll click on top of here where camera is. I'll click on it. Then I'll go to this PixArt. You go to the particular gallery that you want to change. Do you get? So these are different things I have here. So I'm going to convert some of them to PDF. Let's say I have one or two things. Let me just choose one. I'll tell you how you can add more. Do you get? So let's say I want to choose only this. You see, if you click on it, if you highlight on it, it will select one. If you highlight two, you can add as many as you want inside the PDF. But if it's only one that you want, you just select one. So I'm just going to select only one. You get? Then I'll click on what confirm. So once I click on confirm, you see this is the image. If you click on it, it open big. You get? Then I'll go back. See this arrow to go back. Then if I want to add photo here, I'll click on add photo. So if I click on add photo, it will take me to my gallery. Let's say I want to add more. I'll add like, let me say I'll add one again, add two, add three. So anyone you're clicking on, the number multiplies. So I'll click on confirm. So I click on confirm, you see that the image is now see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually maybe after design for a client, just if it's one, if it's for printing, just make it one like one in each. After creating one, you create another one, like just create it multiple times. You get? So I'm done now, so I don't want to add any extra photo. So what I will do now is to click on confirm. If I click on confirm now, to ask me to name it, maybe I'll say, you can put the client's name or anything. Let me just say Kammy. Let me just say graphic design. You get? So that it will make sense. Then I'll click on confirm. So you see that once I click on confirm now, you see how it is. It's now in a form of PDF. You see how beautiful this thing is. So what I'll do now is to go back, then go to home. So if I go to home, you see it here. So I will now click on it and click on this three icon and share it. Yet, so click on more, go to WhatsApp. So I'm going to share it to myself. I'm going to share it to myself. Okay. So you see I've shared it to myself. Okay. So if I click on it now, it automatically opens. So this is how you can convert your images to PDF for any document. So if it's document, just find where it is being kept on your phone, select them and convert it to PDF. Even if it's images, anything, select and convert it to PDF. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.